Hello guys, welcome again to General Awareness for Computer Exams in English. So today also we will see very important question, and this is the highlighted question of today's class. That is, which of these words refer to the scientific study of domestic dogs. Okay, so I hope you will get the answer, and also we will discuss in the video also. So this is our 18th session. So let's. Okay, question number 103. The Araku Valley, a tourist resort, is located near which of the cities of the South India? Okay, Visakhapatnam, Madurai, Kochi, or Mangalore. So correct answer is Visakhapatnam. So the Araku Valley is a tourist spot, okay, which is located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So who is the CM of Andhra Pradesh and who is the governor of Andhra Pradesh? So CM is Jagan Mohan Reddy, okay, and governor is Vishwabhushan Harishchandran. Vishwabhushan Harishchandran. This thing you have to remember. Now few things are also we will discuss about Andhra Pradesh. Okay, few things are there which are very important for you. Okay, so first, what is the state fruit? What is the state fruit of Andhra Pradesh? So that is mango. That is mango. Okay. State animal. State animal is black buck. Okay, black buck. Okay. Then state tree is also there, very important. And these are asked question. Okay, already they asked you because this is part of GK. So you should know that tree. State tree is neem. Okay, neem is the state tree of Andhra Pradesh. Then sports is your kabaddi. State sports is your kabaddi. And state last bird. Okay, also take fish. State bird and fish. So bird is parrot. Bird is parrot and fish is mudfish. Okay, fish is mudfish. So like this only, just note down the things in your notes about Andhra Pradesh. Okay, CM and the governor already told you. Okay. Okay, so let's move to the question number 104. Veteran freedom fighter, social reformer and feminist Savitribai Phule. Okay, hailed from which of the following states of India? So Savitribai Phule is from Maharashtra. Okay, this thing you should know. Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray and Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Okay, so these are the important things. Let's move to the question number 105 now. Okay, name the author who won the Sahitya Academy Award 2019 from his book An Era of Darkness, The British Empire in India. Okay, so this was the book and for which he got Sahitya Academy Award 2019. Okay, so in 2020, okay, Sahitya Academy Award 2020. Basically, see, it is given to many people, but still few are there which you have to remember. Like in 2019, you have to remember Shashi Tharoor, okay, who wrote An Era of Darkness, which is very important for you. And the next is 2020. So in 2020, Arundhati. Okay, in 2020, Arundhati Subramanyam. Arundhati Subramanyam got the Sahitya Academy Award. Okay, for what? For poem. For poem. Basically, it is given for books, poem. Okay, all the art related things. And the poem name is When God is a Traveler. When God is a Traveler is the poem. Okay, and it is in English. Poem was in English. So this thing you have to remember. Okay, about Sahitya Academy got the An Era of Darkness, Shashi Tharoor, and Arundhati Subramanyam got Sahitya Academy 2020 for poem. What is poem? When God is a Traveler. Okay, so let's go to question number 106. Which of this refers to scientific study of domestic dog? Okay, which is our highlighted questions of today's class. So craniology, chromatics, carpology, and cynology. Okay, now see, your correct answer for domestic dog study is cynology. Okay, cynology is your correct answer. Now craniology is there. So what is the meaning of craniology? Okay, the other name I will tell you first, that it is also called phrenology. Okay, phrenology, other name for craniology. Basically this is the scientific study of human skull. Okay, sorry, not human, every skull. Okay, every skull on the planet. So it is a scientific study of skull. Basically they check size, shape of the skulls. Okay, they check the size and shape of the skull. This thing you have to remember. Then the second is chromatics. Okay, statistics. So it is the study of wealth. It is the study of wealth. Okay, this thing you have to remember. And then carpology is there. So carpology is nothing but the study of seed and fruits. Study of seed and fruit. Okay, this thing you have to remember. Okay, so next question. Name the physicist who is credited with the discovery of the neutron. This 1932 discovery led to his winning the Nobel Prize. Okay, so one physician is there who got the Nobel Prize in 1932 for discovery of neutron. Who is Enrico Fermi, J.S. Fleming, James Chadwick, Max Planck? So obviously your answer is James Chadwick. Okay, so James Chadwick discovered neutron, then Rutherford discovered proton. Okay, you know in an atom we have proton and neutron here, and here electrons are there, right? Electron. So who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson. Okay, J.J. Thomson discovered electron, Rutherford proton, and James Chadwick neutron. So like this, you have to remember. This is your atomic mass. Okay, with the help of nucleus, we discover atomic mass, and your atomic number we just found based on number of protons. Okay, and atomic mass proton plus neutron. Already we discussed in the question. One answer. Okay, so let's see the next question. Okay, so that's it for today. Now we will revise today February month. Okay, February 2021 we will revise. So first current affair here. India's first digital university is set up at Kerala. Where? Kerala. Okay, Kerala CM you know, and Kerala governor also you know. I want it comment section. Okay, in comment section I want. Okay, the next affair. It's international airport functional in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, now see, in Uttar Pradesh, basically the affair, the news was there that third international airport, okay, was is in under construction. That is your Kushinagar airport. Okay, Kushinagar airport. What I told you, this is third one, which is international airport. Okay, which is international airport. Just Kushinagar got the license in the February month. That's why this is in news. Okay, so you should know that other two also there. Okay, other two airports are also there. So what is the name of other two international airport in Uttar Pradesh? That is Chaudhry Charan Singh. Okay, Chaudhry Charan Singh International Airport. Basically, this is at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Chaudhry Charan Singh International Airport at Lucknow, and Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Okay, International Airport at where? Varanasi. At Varanasi. So this thing you have to remember. Okay, three, and now this is the third one which is under construction now. Okay, but he this airport got the license of International Airways. Okay, so next we will see next affair. Okay, Swamitwa Yojana or scheme. So some current affairs, some news was also there. Okay, related to this scheme. That's why I am taking this. So you have to remember first what is the full form of Swamitwa. Okay, Swamitwa or Swamitwa, whatever you can say. So survey of villages and mapping with improvised technology in villages area. So with the help of name, we can just guess that yes, it is for betterment of rural or villages. Okay, or rural development. It is related to rural development or village development. Also, you can say lots of activities are there. Okay, in this scheme. Now about this scheme. So this scheme is launched in 24 April 2020. Okay, this scheme is launched in 24 April. Why 24 April? Because on 24 April we celebrate National Panchayat Day. What we celebrate on 24 April, this thing compulsory. Okay, remember this 24 April Panchayat Day, National Panchayat Day. Okay, so we celebrate this. Okay, so that's it for this. Okay, just remember each and everything which is here. This is the full form of scheme. 24 April National Panchayat Day. Okay, the next info news that President of Table Tennis Federation of India, that is TTFI. Who is the president now? Dushyant Chautala. Dushyant Chautala. Okay, just remember this. Dushyant Chautala is the president of TTIF. Very important for you. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today. This is all about today. Okay, all the important things we discuss. Just note down in your notes also about February 2021. These are the important affairs which are have the chances in your exam. So have any query, have any doubt, then definitely you can connect me anytime. Okay, on the Instagram and the app also. Just keep revising, and there is a Q box also. Just check out the Q box. It is just 299 rupees and for 6 months basically. So for 6 months daily quizzes are there. Okay, for 5 sections That is your general awareness, general current affairs is there, general studies is there, your English is there, quant reasoning, 6 sections are there total. Okay, and financial awareness is also there. So definitely good investment for QBox for 6 months. So with this section, with our PDF and with QBox, definitely I don't think no one can touch you in general awareness section. Okay, for any exam except UPSC. Okay, all the best.